Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to export and share your flow plans. Let's start taking my app and we select a project. Once we're here, we have a general overview, so maybe before exporting the project we can also take a look at the info and check if we're happy, if we want to change something. We also have the living area calculation that can be edited based on your needs. You could also add an address for your project, and once you're happy, you can land in the export menu both from here on the left side or using the toggle here in the upper right corner, and you see it's the same menu. You may not see all the export formats that I see here because some formats depend on your subscription type, so I'm gonna skip the report PDF, for example, since it's not available for everyone. But as you notice, near each export format we have a toggle with three little lines. This is the toggle to land in the configuration menu of each format. So if you want to configure to personalize your sketch PDF, you simply tap here and you can see you have different options and you can decide what to show or what to hide on your PDF. Once you're done, remember to tap on done to save the changes, and all the other formats have also some personalization that can be done here. So here you can, for example, decide what file formats you would like to generate. If you don't need them all, you can deactivate what you don't need, otherwise you can activate them. It's absolutely up to you. We can also take a look here at the 3D model. You see you can also enable or disable the formats that you need or you do not need. And last but not least, the statistics here. Once you're happy and you want to generate your file, you simply select the needed format and the app generates the document for you. Here we go. As you can see, I only have one floor, so we have one page in this case. If you generate more formats, they will all be listed here at the bottom of your project. And maybe also an important note, if you change something inside the project, for example, you add an object, you move an object or whatever, then please generate a new link to be up to date and on the latest version of your project. If you want, you can also export the project directly from here because you see that there's the same toggle in the corner. So you don't have to go back and forth. You can simply go ahead and export your files from the same menu that we saw 1 second ago. Okay, you can also share the project as a link. So here you see at the bottom that you have the option send a copy via email. So you can share this project with someone using magicplan and you decide what to show or not to show here. If you instead want to share the same project but with someone who is not using magicplan at all, you will need to use the option get shareable link. Okay, once you land on this page, you have to do one little thing. Anyone with the link can view, and here you decide what details should be included in the document. So if you, for example, want to also show the elevation of a room, of a specific wall, you can include it here, and maybe you say I don't want to show the notes. Okay, so then you copy the link with the details that you would like to share and you share it with other people so they will see exactly what you want them to see. Okay, I think that we saw almost everything, but I have one little note to add to this topic. If you go into the Files section on See All, you will see on the top that you have the possibility to import your own files. So you maybe have an important document that you would like to include to your sketch PDF, for example. Then you can upload it here. Afterward, you generate your document and that file will be included in your documentation. This is a pretty nice feature. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.